Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promise to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spaces have lightweight plus design. The benefits of the lightweight plus design of the BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spaces mean that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. All BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, the another is aluminum alloy 6075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 6075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers have multi-stage cup-centric design. These designs allow the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And match ISO grade 1219 wheel bolts. The material bolt uses SCM 440 steel material, and it has achieved ISO standard grade 4.9. And with the 12-pedal hand design, the pedal hands can only be manufactured by super forging technology. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a BONOSS engraved. By engraving the word B of BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customer interest. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. You can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm, and you can customize the wheel spacers complete in 3 to 7 days at the fastest. And the PCD-CB composition. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 100,000 measurements, we have got over 1,000 installation cases to share. Plus, we offer the newest models to help you stay ahead and grab market opportunities. We have strict supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and has a good sales network in various international markets. The BONOSS Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Mercedes GLS-Class wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance hub can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, cool partial view.